If you're dreaming of a Maldives holiday surrounded by turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and incredible marine life, Pullman, Maldives could be the perfect destination. Located on a private island, this five-star all-inclusive resort offers an experience that feels wonderfully far removed from the busy world. One of the biggest benefits of this resort's location is its seclusion. This island covers approximately 18 hectares of lush tropical vegetation and is surrounded by rich marine life and beautiful coral reefs. If you're looking for peace, privacy, and spectacular underwater experiences, this location is difficult to beat. The trade off for this remote location is the journey from the airport. After arriving at the international airport in Mali, guests then take a domestic flight of approximately 55 minutes to Kudu Airport, followed by a 15-minute speedboat transfer to the resort. So while the resort isn't one of Maldives' quickest resorts to reach, the extra travel takes you deep into one of the country's most beautiful and less developed atolls. The most popular time to visit the Maldives is generally between November and April, when the country typically enjoys its drier, sunnier season. Warm temperatures, clearer skies, and calmer conditions make this period especially attractive for beach holidays, snorkeling, and diving. The Pullman offers 122 spacious villas, including beachfront, overwater, and even unique underwater accommodation. The resort's Aqua Villa is particularly spectacular, allowing guests to experience marine life directly through underwater bedroom windows. Being an all-inclusive resort is another major attraction. Guests can enjoy multiple restaurants and bars, along with a wide selection of activities: snorkeling, scuba diving, water sports, fishing, sunset cruises, and spa treatments can all be part of the experience. Families are also catered for with children facilities and kids clubs. And marine life is one of the real stars of the show. The surrounding reefs and seagrass areas attract an impressive variety of fish and other marine species, making snorkeling and diving particularly rewarding. Recent guests have also specifically praised the resort's dive center and the quality of the underwater environment. Because this is a private island, there isn't the traditional tourist attractions, such as city markets or historic monuments, immediately outside the resort. Instead, the attractions are in and around the ocean itself: coral reefs, marine life, sandbanks, fishing excursions, dolphin encounters, and unforgettable sunset cruises. If you're prepared for the longer journey from the international airport, the Pullman Maldives offers something truly special: privacy, luxury, an outstanding all-inclusive experience, and direct access to some of Maldives' most spectacular underwater scenery. For couples, honeymooners, and families looking for secluded tropical escape, Pullman Maldives could be an unforgettable choice. This is obviously a beautiful place, 5 stars all the way, of course, and one of the few all-inclusive resorts in the Maldives. But let's look at some of the important numbers. I get this information from Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description. You can check it out if you like, get more information, and check out the prices on your dates. But looking 2 months ahead right now, I can book a room here for $424 US per night. Of course, that's the cheapest room available, and before taxes. But the most important number is probably the hotel ratings, which comes from the average person staying there and leaving reviews. On Agoda, this hotel has a rating of 9.2 out of 10, which is really good. But unfortunately, there's only 218 reviews, so that's not much. Not for a place of this size. But still, the people that are doing reviews really like it here. It is a little bit hard to get to, but probably well worth the effort. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.